Topic: The importance of time management. Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly essential, and transformative topic: the importance of time management. Time is one of the most valuable resources in human life. Money lost can be earned again, but time once lost can never be recovered. Every successful person understands the importance of managing time wisely, whether it is a student, entrepreneur, athlete, or leader. Effective time management plays a crucial role in achieving success. In today's fast-moving world, people are constantly surrounded by distractions such as social media, entertainment, and unnecessary activities. Without proper planning, individuals often waste valuable hours and later feel stressed and unproductive. This creates a highly chaotic lifestyle. Time management helps people organize their priorities and use every moment effectively. One of the greatest benefits of time management is improved productivity. A person who plans tasks properly can complete work more efficiently and with less pressure. Proper scheduling reduces confusion and increases focus. This creates a more disciplined and balanced life. Moreover, time management also improves mental well-being. When people fail to complete the responsibilities on time, they often experience anxiety, and frustration. However, individuals who manage time effectively feel more confident and relaxed. This emotional stability helps maintain peace of mind and better decision-making abilities. Time management is especially important for students. Students who follow a timetable can balance studies, exercise, rest, and hobbies more effectively. Instead of studying At the last moment, disciplined preparation helps improve performance and reduces stress during examinations. Another important aspect is that time management develops self-discipline and responsibility. People become more punctual, organized, and focused on the goals. Such qualities are highly beneficial. Beneficial in both personal and professional life. However, many people misunderstand time management. They think it means working continuously without rest. In reality, proper time management includes relaxation, exercise, and personal growth as well. A balanced routine increases long-term efficiency and happiness. In conclusion, time management is not just a habit, it is a life skill that determines success and personal growth. It improves productivity, reduces stress, and creates discipline in life. A person who respects time is more likely to achieve goals and maintain balance in life. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends for giving me this valuable opportunity to share my thoughts. Your patience, attention, and encouragement mean a lot to me. I hope my words were meaningful and inspiring. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day ahead.